How to make him desperate for you. Have you ever been so deeply in love, you felt desperate for a man who wasn't feeling the same way for you? You know the kind of heartache I'm talking about. The kind where the more urgent you felt, the more he seemed to be backing away? Where the drama and intensity piles up. Until, boom. The relationship breaks completely, leaving you completely devastated. While he seems only mildly inconvenienced and moves on to a new woman, practically the next day. What if you could completely reverse that scenario? Make him so desperate for you that he can't sleep at night for wondering how to make you his and his alone. Cause him to pursue you restlessly until you're nestled happily in his arms, listening to his voice rumbling in his chest as he murmurs one romantic promise after another. This totally regular woman did exactly that, turned the tables on the guy she wanted, and it worked. It wasn't hard, but you do have to know what you're doing. Click the link below in video description to watch the free video presentation, which explains the 3 unusual things she did to completely put him desperate for her. No, it's not some trick. The 3 steps are just not how most women typically approach things with a man. And they certainly aren't expected by any guy. But they totally spin his head around and make him putty in your hands. You may find him down on one knee when you never expected that to happen. So if you're ready to make broken hearts a thing of the past, you gotta see this video. You deserve to be in the driver's seat of your love life, whether you're dating or have been married for years. Click the link below in video description to watch this video and learn exactly how to secure the love you want without drama, pleading, or misery.